Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A6 and let me show you all the ringtones that you can use on this device. So at first let's open list of all applications, then find and select the settings. Now locate and open sounds and vibration, and here just go to ringtone. So let me start with the first one, which is Astro. And that's it. Now you can just pick the one that you like the most. Let me choose holiday. Then go back, and as you can see, the ringtone has been changed. So this is it. That would be all. This is how you can come along with the whole list of ringtones in your device, and also how you can apply your favorite one. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.